Hi there! Today I will install lines to control the rudder from the forward cockpit. This is to be able to sail this two-person kayak alone from the front cockpit. As all the sail controls are on the front cockpit, it's a little bit hard to do the sailing from the back cockpit. The first thing is to assemble the kayak. But as this is a bit too long for my garage, I need to do that outside. First, I need to make a hole from the front end cockpit to the back end cockpit to draw the rudder line through. I place the holes as high up as possible to avoid water leaking in through them. First, I drill a 6mm guiding hole from the back end into the front end. I do this to have some adjusting margin up to the needed 12mm. This came out here. I think that will be okay. Now the next side. Also that turned out quite alright. Now I change to a bigger drill to widen the hole. Going from this side is less cramped. I plan to glue pipes on to the back end, extending into the front end. The front hole will need to be enlarged to allow some margin. A 13mm drill will give some margin. Now the pipe slides through the first bulkhead. The back bulkhead still needs some enlarging. The rest will take care of this. Now it fits. I just need to cut it to length. 3 cm will be plenty. I cut the light aluminium pipe and smoothen the edges. These pieces will work. I use some thickened epoxy to glue the pipes in place. And secure the gluing with tape while curing. One of the cured pipes points inwards too much and has to be adjusted. With a dip of epoxy it will be stiff in a better position. Now I can mount the lines in the front rudder pedals. Pull them through the holes. I measure how long the lines need to be to meet with the lines coming from the rudder. The dyneema lines are almost too thick. Finally, I measure a second time to make sure before I cut the line. And secure with a knot. Now I can carry out the kayak and test the fitting. The pipes fit. And I can thread the line through. Secure the line in the holder. And mount the holder in the front pedal system. The pedals respond well. The stretch of the lines are fine and the rudder can be turned from the front cockpit. Next time it's time for the test launching. Thanks for watching.